Okay, hi everyone, my name is Andrews and I'm preparing the power tools and of course uploading the videos to YouTube. Okay, and you can see that. Okay, now I have Makita 18 volts cordless drill driver. It's a BDF456. It's very common model in the workshop. Okay, I will just remove the sticker with the customer information. Okay, so there's no sticker. Okay, and the problem is that this tool don't work. Of course, I will try it with my battery. Okay, and it's still not working. So what can we do now? We can check the check. Okay, seems that it's working. Okay, so first of all we need to remove the back cover and check the carbon brushes. It's a two screws here. Okay, what we can see, the carbon brushes is almost gone, but they still can touch the armature commutator. Okay, now checking it again, not use. Okay, so what we can do, we can remove the carbon brushes, of course. We will need new carbon brushes, set CB440. Okay, so now we need a multimeter to test this switch. So one end goes to the one carbon brush holder and another one goes to the second. Okay, just inserting the battery and checking it. Okay, so it's nothing on it. Okay, that's not good. Okay, I will try with my battery. Yeah, it's still nothing. Okay, so we need to disassemble it and check the switch. So, okay, I think the switch will be fault. Okay, so now we need to unscrew all that screw and separate the housing. Okay, so, okay, it's full of dust. The dust is common reason why the switch is faulty. Okay. So, what can we do now? We can try to check the resistance of the switch. Okay. So now, if it's a resistant, it will beep. Okay. Here we have it, and we don't have it here. Okay, so we will check second one. We have it, and we have it all the time. Okay, of course we can try to check the switch again. Okay, by removing everything and just connecting our multimeter again to the carbon brush holders. Okay. So it's nothing. Okay. So I think we need a new switch. Okay. Okay, of course I will check for the new switch. I have it in my shop or not. Okay, now it's the old code is 650-637-9. Okay, we will check for the new code later. Okay, so now the armature. Of course, we need to clean it. The field. We have some marks and scratches here. That's not very good. Of course, that all happens because of dirt inside the tool. It's really dirty here. Okay, we need to check the gear housing. I think it will be okay, but still, we can check it. Okay, so removing the cover, the plate here, the gear. Okay, it's a lot of gears here. Always check the teeth here. Okay. So, and checking these teeth. If they are good, probably the gear is good. So, okay. Now I really think it's good. So, I will put it back again. Okay. So now, okay, I will put back the back cover and we leave the gears. Okay. Okay, so it's now okay. So of course I need to clean dust and okay. So here we need a new switch, and of course I will be back with repairing this tool. Before that I will clean it. So okay, it was Makita 18-ball drill BDF or 18-bit DDF456. It's no difference in them, just one letter. So, and we need to use this. Okay, for now this is done. So please subscribe my videos, press on advertising, and of course please comment my videos. Thank you and bye.